Another product review. What have we here? What we got in from Amazon today. We got a label maker. Now this is a nice little find on Amazon. We just open up the plastic there to get into it. We do have a larger label maker, which is fine for business use and letters and things like that and files. But I also wanted a label maker for our tech, all that end of things. We have so much tech and it gets lost. So you want to be able to store it and start labeling different things. So we have pouches and bags for different cables, etc., and camera gear and all the rest of it, as I'm sure you're aware. So it's nice to put a label on it. And this label maker is, ideally, it was advertised to go work off your phone with some templates, small labels, and you can connect it to the computer in comparison to the little pocket ones. So we've chosen this one, and we're going to just open it up and see what we get. So that's the box there, label maker, and hanging on the inside of it is, I would imagine, your USB-C cable. Yes, USB-C. We'll just pop that back in there. You also get so this is the T50M Pro, and you've got your normal set of instructions there. Now, the label maker itself, what does it look like? Okay, so size of my hand really. It is very lightweight, very easy. And your labels, I believe, just pop in the center there. So push the lever down the side, and there's your roll of labels. Now, we also got a set of round labels. Right, now these are the round, what do you call them? There's a name for it, it's not coming to mind, holographic or whatever it is, and you see they're a nice shiny kind of silver glossy label, and that will work well on some things that we want to put equipment on. So we're going to try those out as well. So I'll just pop those in there. So this ideally is rechargeable label machine that you can pack it, pop in the backpack, bring it with you anywhere. There we go. Light, easy, charging port at the side, one lever to open it there, and I believe you can just hook it up to either the Bluetooth on your laptop or on your phone itself. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to spend a couple of minutes reading the instructions, hook it up to my phone, and then I'll come straight back to you rather than waste your time, and let's see how this performs, and we'll print a couple of labels. See you in a moment. Welcome back to part 2 of our label maker. Right, now that we have it up and running, it's working grand. It didn't take too long to get up and going. This is the T50M Pro Label printer off Amazon. So, just to give you a very quick what we did. First of all, that lever at the side, you need to give it a good push down to open the lid. We have the silver hologram type labels in there at the moment. They worked very well, and the little white labels were perfect as well. When you go to put it in, your labels in, just make sure you push that to the side, drop your labels in with your label face down, and the little grey side should be on the right hand side to show your labels are face down. Give it a good push, Bob's your uncle. Now, if you hold down the power label button for 2 seconds, you'll see it illuminates green, which basically means it's ready to go. You can just press that there to forward on another label. As you can see, I did labels for our power banks there, and they turn out like that. They are quite adhesive compared to our normal one, slightly stronger adhesive, and very, very easy to use. The app on the phone, which I'm going to play around with because there's loads of templates and everything else you can use, is very, very easy to set up and use. You can just type away and pick your template, and away you go. So that's that little label maker, your Supervan T50M Pro Label Maker from Amazon. I'll leave the links down below. You just tear it off. Because this is a round label, your normal ones are a similar size, the white ones, which we have there. You just peel that off, and there is your round label maker. Label done. By looking on the system on Amazon, they are supposed to be heat-proof to a degree, waterproof, and so on and so forth. So it'll be interesting to see how they work out. As I say, they stick better than the normal labels. So link down below, check it out, and see what you think. I think it was a good buy. Thanks very much for watching. Keep tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.